Well, welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today we are visiting Point Marina, and if you look at the trees in the background, man, the wind is whipping down here today, and it is straight grabbing boats and doing what it wants with them. Kind of like this crew here. They were making their approach right there. You just saw it. As soon as they hit reverse, the wind got them. Now, they're going to have to completely reset up. But in order to approach the dock that they were just looking at, you're really going to have to come in at a completely different angle, man. You're going to have to go directly into that wind. So Cap's kind of hanging out here. He's going to have to probably turn this thing all the way around. And every time you touch that reverse and hit that brake, bro, that wind's just going to grab you and do what it wants, and it's going to shift you back over to the side. Best thing he can do here, I would say, is just literally, I would put it in forward gear and do the full U-turn. But he's going to try backing up. But you can see, even backing up, once again, the wind's grabbed the bow and pushing them toward the trees. Good news for this Cap, though, he's just got to get kind of close. I mean, he's got 3 people on board. They all appear to be doing something in preparation for the docking, so he should be okay. He's got plenty of help. We just got to get close enough for a line toss, or if they're lucky and they got a boat hook on board, close enough to get a hold of something with a boat hook. So they're making their turn in, but I still don't think this is going to work, man. I'm telling you now, you're not going to be able to turn into this one. You're going to have to come straight in. Keep it turning or back out, and you're going to have to get that bow pointed straight into that dock, bro. And once again, you hit the reverse, wind got it. Second you pump that brake, the wind's going to do what the wind's going to do, and it's going to grab this boat. So we're going to have to reapproach this one more time. Once again, hopefully this time he figures it out. It looks like he will. They're going to have to do a full U-turn, come in hard bow into the dock, and really battle this wind to get it over there. So after a few more minutes of playing games with the wind, this crew has done the full turnaround, and they're going to go heavy bow in on this dock. And that was the only approach that they're going to be able to have with the wind glowing like this. But once again, it's not that big of a deal. We got plenty of line up front, plenty of line in the stern, and our Cap's just got to get close enough for somebody to get a nice line toss off. But 2 people on the ready. Let's see how Cap handles this one. So, oh, our guy, he's already off. He's on the dock. I mean, there was no hesitation whatsoever there. He helps Captain with a little brake check from the dock. But that brake check's not good. There's no stern line, guys. And that stern's going to kick out with the wind fast. And they're learning that lesson right now. Oh, man. You're going to have to pull him back in, bro. But as soon as he does that, the stern's just going to keep going. Cap, you're going to have to get behind the helm, give this one power to get it back over there. So we're going to push off the other boat on the other dock. But once again, that wind's just blowing so hard that as second he hit the dock, gave him the brake check, the wind took it again. And now we've got somebody off on the stern, somebody on the bow. Hopefully Cap can get it over from here. And we look pretty good right this second. They've got it on there. Things appear to be okay. So we were able to successfully get the boat onto the dock and get the trailer in the water, but unfortunately for this crew, things have gone wrong since then, and they are struggling to get this thing back out. We got all 3 guys pushing on the boat, trying to keep it centered on the trailer. And you can hear it a little bit. The truck is spinning tires. And so our 3 guys are walking back up to the truck. And he looks like he's going to get it. And the truck, I believe, is 4-wheel drive, so that helps a lot. And it looks like they're going to get it out. Oh! Oh no! Something broke. I can't tell. Oh man, as much as that bounced back, the strap had to break. Not only the strap, that looks like the safety chain even came off. Wow! I don't know if the chain broke or it just popped off, but I have to imagine the bow eye strap broke and the safety chain. I've never seen that happen. If that chain broke, I've definitely never seen a chain break. But I can't imagine how it would just pop off unless they didn't have it on very good. So, man, it looks like they're in for another experience on trying to figure out how to get this thing back on the trailer, and their day is not done yet. And as you heard, we have somebody else stuck on the ramp also. And these guys are playing a dangerous game. There, he was sliding backwards. He tried to go ahead and go in forward gear. And as soon as he hit the gas, the truck and the trailer, everything started moving back down the hill. And that is not good. So we've got, it appears, I can't tell if there's 3 or 4 people now. Oh, the tailgate popped open. They got lucky on that one too. That could have been a dangerous spot. I mean, we fell down, but nobody got hurt. So he's backing down to take a little pressure off the truck, let the boat float just a little bit so he can get a little bit of a running start. And no, we are just grinding it out. Smoke show in the house. So we may have to try and get somebody else on the back of this thing. And here we go. Bouncy house in action. And it's not going to be enough. So we've got one more guy that's coming off the dock here. He's going to jump on and try and give him a hand. And here we go. Now we're rolling with 4. And he's going to try and get it up here. Still spinning. They're gaining a little bit of ground, though. And it looks like they're going to push over the edge. And that 4th person was enough to get the job done. And this crew will be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.